Bakit ko ba laging sinishare yung story ni Noah? Because I know somehow I can relate sa story ni Noah. Where even a prophet hindi sumunod sa utos ng Panginoon. Even na follower or believer na ng Panginoon, still nakakapag-commit ng mistakes, pa rin ng mistakes. Just like us, believer in this. I'm not saying na we continue sinning. No. What I'm saying is, ganun kabuti ang Panginoon. Sabi nga, kung nagkasala ang isang tao, patawarin natin siya gaano karami? 70 times 7. Ibig sabihin infinite. Kung gaano yung karami yung kasalanan ng taong to, we have to forgive. We are called to forgive because Jesus first show how to forgive. It's so hard to forgive. Pero once you forgive, everything, I can say, I'm a living testimony. Ang daming taong nakasakit ng feelings ko. Yung mga taong malalapit, yung mga taong ina-expect ko na magko-comfort sa akin, makakaintindi sa akin, iba yung nangyari. But then, I surrendered to the Lord and forgive them even though they are not asking for forgiveness. Diba? Tayo anak ng Diyos, even though na may nakasakit sa atin, even though na hindi sila nag-a-ask ng forgiveness, but we surrender. Kasi we don't wanna live a life kung saan hawak natin yung bigat. We already surrender it and we already forgive those persons who hurt us. Ang hirap mamuhay na may dinadala ka sa dibdib. Ang hirap nun. Kaya, if you are watching this video, I want you to surrender the things that you have in your heart. Kung may hindi ka pa na-forgive, forgive and let God. Sabi niya, let the vengeance be mine. Sabi ng Panginoon, ipagkatiwala mo kasi iba kumilos ang Panginoon. I'm telling you, isa ako sa buhay na patotoo na sinurrender ka sa Panginoon ang lahat ng bagay. And God made a decision na siya lang ang tanging kayang gumawa nun. And I believe it doesn't happen in coincidence. Kasi after ko mag-pray, all of a sudden, God moves in a different way na hindi ko ma-imagine. So, I didn't ask particular kung ano gusto kong mangyari. All I did is just surrender to God and believe in God's power, in God's sovereignty. So, that's it. See you in my next video. Bye and God bless.